Hi, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Blake.
And I'm Zara. We're so happy you're here today.
Yes, come and sit with us like a calm little podcast.
Cozy. By the way, I love quiet mornings.
Oh, nice. And me? I love coffee. I really love coffee.
Same. Coffee people, hello.
Today, we will talk about a very useful topic for English speaking, habits.
Yes, habits are a big part of daily life. We all have them.
And when you can talk about habits, you can sound more natural in English.
In this lesson, you will learn simple English phrases for habits.
You will also learn how to say how often you do something.
Like every day, sometimes, or once a week.
And we will learn how to talk about changing a habit.
Like stopping a bad habit or starting a good habit.
And hey, your English does not need to be perfect.
Yes, don't worry. You can learn step by step.
Okay, quick warm-up. Zara, tell me one small daily habit you have.
Easy. Every morning, I drink a glass of water.
Oh, that's a good habit. I like that.
What about you, Blake?
What about you, Blake? Every morning, I check my phone. Too fast.
That's a real habit. Many people do that.
So, friends watching, here's a question for you.
What do you do every morning?
Think about it and maybe say it out loud.
And remember, a habit means something you do again and again.
Let's talk about everyday habits, morning and evening routines.
Yes, simple things like waking up, washing your face, and eating breakfast.
Zara, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m., but I feel sleepy.
Same. My eyes are like, no, Blake, 5 more minutes.
And what do you do first?
I usually check my phone first. Not the best, but it's true.
That's normal. I usually wash my face first. It helps me wake up.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
I often eat breakfast. When I'm in a hurry, I just grab a banana.
Nice. In the evening, I like quiet time. I usually read a little.
I like quiet time too, but sometimes I'm tired, so I go to bed early.
And that's okay. Different habits are normal.
Yes, your routine can be different from my routine. No problem.
Quick help usually means most days. It's common for you.
Great. Now let's talk about how often you do something.
Now, frequency words. These are words like always and sometimes.
Yes, always means you do it every time.
Usually means most of the time.
Often means many times.
Sometimes means not every time, but it happens.
Rarely means not many times.
And never means 0 times. You do not do it.
Let's use easy examples. Blake, do you exercise?
I sometimes exercise. I'm not perfect.
Same. I usually walk, but I rarely go to the gym.
How about drinking water?
I always try to drink water, but I sometimes forget.
Me too. And studying English?
I often study English. Even 10 minutes helps.
Great tip. Frequency is about time. Many times or not many times.
Listener check. Slow and simple. I always, I sometimes.
Yes. Repeat in your mind. I usually study English.
Which word is true for you? Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, or never.
Now, let's talk about healthy habits and unhealthy habits.
Yes, and we will speak kindly about ourselves. No shame here.
Healthy habits can be simple, like walking, eating fruit, or sleeping earlier.
Or taking breaks. A short break can help your mind.
Unhealthy habits are also common, like too much sugar,
Late night scrolling on your phone?
or skipping meals when you're busy.
And listen, it's normal to struggle. Change can be slow.
Sometimes I feel proud after a good day, like, yes, I did it.
And sometimes I feel a little disappointed after a tired day.
But we can talk gently. For example, today was hard, but tomorrow is a new day.
Yes. Or I'm learning. I'm improving.
Quick clarity. Good for me means it helps my body or my mind.
And not good for me means it doesn't help me. Simple.
And you can be honest and kind at the same time.
Exactly. You're not a robot, you're a human.
Okay, now let's talk about building and changing habits.
This is where simple English phrases help a lot.
Try these. I'm trying to, I want to, and I'm working on.
Slow. They sound friendly and real because you don't need to be perfect yet.
For example, I'm trying to sleep earlier.
Or, I want to eat less sugar.
Or, I'm working on studying English every day.
Here's my small story. I wanted to read for 10 minutes every night.
Nice. Was it easy?
Day 1, yes. Day 2, I forgot. I was like, oops.
Haha, real life. I did that too with drinking more water.
What helped you?
A simple reminder on my phone. Small step, big help.
And if you miss a day, it's okay. Mistakes are normal.
Progress matters. Keep going, step by step.
And these phrases are perfect when you're still learning and still growing.
Okay, before we teach more, let's compare habits and preferences.
Yes, and we can agree or disagree in simple ways.
For example, I like studying English in the morning.
Oh, not for me. I'm different. I like studying at night.
That's fair. Some people feel fresh in the morning.
And some people feel calm at night.
If you agree, you can say, me too, or same here.
Like this. I usually drink water after I wake up.
Me too, same here.
If you disagree, you can say, not for me, or I'm different.
I often go to bed early.
Not for me. I stay up late sometimes.
Habit means something you do again and again. Example, checking my phone is a habit. Routine means your usual plan in the day. Example, my morning routine is water and breakfast. Always means at all times. Example, I always brush my teeth at night. Usually means most days. Example, I usually study English after dinner. Sometimes means not every time. Example, I sometimes skip breakfast. Rarely means almost never. Example, I rarely eat fast food. Quit means stop doing something. Example, I want to quit late night scrolling. Start means begin. Example, I want to start walking every day. Try to means you make an effort. Example, I'm trying to drink more water. Cut down means do less. Example, I'm cutting down sugar. Stay up late means go to bed late. Example, I stay up late on weekends. And wake up means stop sleeping. Example, I wake up at 7. Quick reminder, you don't need to learn all of them today. Choose just 3 and repeat quietly. I usually, I'm trying to, I want to. Let's do a friendly recap.
Today, you learned how to talk about daily habits, like morning and evening routines.
You also learned frequency words. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never.
And you learned simple change phrases. I'm trying to, I want to, and I'm working on.
Habits are a common topic in real English conversations. And simple English is enough. It really is. Speak slowly. Use short sentences. That is okay.
Small practice brings progress, little by little.
Question of the day. What is one habit you do every day? You can say, I usually drink water in the morning. Or, I sometimes study English at night. Or, I'm trying to sleep earlier. Please like, subscribe, and comment your answer.
Keep practicing step by step.
You can do this.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.